Lewis and Mackenzie. This is Brittany. I promise to provide you a short and sweet educational video on how to optimize your online presence. You're probably asking why I'm sending these. While I realize small business owners are so busy running their own business and taking care of their customers, they don't have the time to learn how to get more customers. And the only thing stopping them is knowing who is an expert and who is not. Some people will take this information and do it themselves. Some people will contact me. Either way is fine. It's just to educate you and help you out, and with an easy-to-attack plan. So I'm going to be going over 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So I tried to get your website up here at idealfloorsandinteriors.com, and what pops up is this error right here. This just pretty much means that the domain doesn't exist. And when I went to your Facebook page, I also found a different URL. It was idealfloorsatl.com, and I again get an error where the page hasn't been found. So I don't know if you guys don't actually have a website, or if it's currently being worked on, or if it's been moved somewhere else. So I'm not able to give you guys specific advice on your website, but I will be looking at your competitors to help you guys out on what you need to do to optimize your online presence and your website too. So I went ahead and I typed in a keyword up here at the top of Google: floor installation, Buckhead, Georgia. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And this is a great buyer intent keyword because it's service specific. I'm looking for floor installation, and it's also location specific in Buckhead, Georgia. So the first thing that pops up are these Google guaranteed local ads. These are really great. They have high conversion rate, about 40 to 60%, according to data we've collected. Below that is something called the Map Pack, where 30% of consumers will choose one of these top businesses here for their service. And below that, we have the organic search results on the first page of Google, where 60 to 70% of people will choose one of these businesses to perform their service. Not shown here at the top, but usually our Google ads, and also at the bottom, where 5 to 10% of people will choose one of these businesses for their service too. So looking at the organic search results, I was trying to find a local company, and these directories showed up, like House and Yelp, and that's totally normal. But the first one that shows up organically as a floor company is Authentic Hardwood Flooring. So I went ahead and brought them up here, and this is their website. This is their homepage. So I'm going to be looking at the content on their page and helping you guys know what you can do for yours too. So they have some content, not a whole lot. They have around maybe 400 words or so on their homepage. We do recommend 1,500 to 2,000 words, depending on competition and number of keywords needed. Like I stated before, a keyword is anything someone type into Google looking for a service or product. You definitely want those buyer intent keywords throughout your content. And you can place them throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So that briefly covers content and what you guys can do for your homepage and throughout the pages of your website. Just adding in those buyer intent keywords throughout it so that you guys can be found and also raise your authority, since Google loves content. Content is king, and it helps you guys get that authority, like I said. So looking here, this is called Ahrefs, and this is the page program that I like to use to research websites, and I put them in here to see how they're doing, what you guys can do as well for your website. So we have 2 ratings here. We have a DR rating and a UR rating. A DR rating is essentially a power rating, and a UR rating is a trust rating, and both of these are raised by something called backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another, and these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you or pointing back to you. So it's like a popularity contest essentially. So looking at Authentic Hardwood Flooring, they have 48 referring domains, pointing to 107 backlinks. Now, it is worth noting that quality backlinks are just as important as quantity. You definitely want to have backlinks that are relevant to your industry and the services that you offer, and that are from local websites. Those will work the best. So we don't recommend just meeting the number of backlinks that they have at 107. I recommend raising that around to maybe 200 or so, maybe 300 backlinks, and that are good quality ones as well. Alright, so we briefly went over content, backlinks, and last thing I want to go over is citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google Business profile. Citations help you rank in the map pack I showed you here on our search result, which is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. Citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau. There's hundreds of others out there, but the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. And once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is that you rank above them. So we went over 3 things today. We went over content, backlinks, and citations. And I wanted to show you one last thing, the keywords that Authentic Hardwood Floor is ranking for. So they have some buyer intent keywords. I just wanted to show you some examples. They have hardwood flooring installation Atlanta. There's 150 people looking for that every month. There's also GA or Georgia hardwood flooring, 150 people looking for that per month. Hardwood floor installation Atlanta, 150 people as well. Hardwood flooring Atlanta, 300. Hardwood floor refinishing Atlanta. I don't know if you guys actually do refinishing, but there's 300 people looking for that as well. Hardwood floors coming Georgia, 80. These are just a few examples here that I wanted to show you the number of volume and number of people looking for these words. And even though these are only just a few, I know you guys do a lot more services than just hardwood floors. This is just hardwood floors alone, so there is a lot of volume just for that. So with that being said, there is going to be a ton more volume for the different kinds of floors you guys install, the different kinds of renovations you guys do too. So you definitely want to have a lot of those buyer intent keywords throughout your content so you guys can capture some of that traffic. Alright, well that just covers it for today. I just wanted to show this to you to provide some valuable educational content, how to strengthen your website and online presence. Thank you so much for allowing me to serve you. I hope this was helpful. I'd appreciate some feedback, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.